Okay. Solve each system by graphing. Let's zoom in a little bit. Now, here's the thing. When you do it and get more math, there's your B. So you would go to 0, 8. Plot that point. Now, what's the slope here? What's the slope? -1. So if the slope is -1, we just put it over 1. It goes down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. And we can keep doing that. And when you're doing this, you have to plot every point. Because you don't know where it's going to intersect. And we could go up 1, left 1. All right. Connect all those points. That's our first line. Because I'm going to show you something with this. Now, wow. Here's our B, -8. So we go down to -0, -8. And our slope is -17. So that's just -17 over 1. Now, we can't go down 17, can we? But you can do this. Go up 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is that 17 right there? Yeah. Oh, no, that's not it. 17's right here. Left 1. My bad. It's going to be at this point here. So let's connect that. This is ugly. I should have changed that one. Now, they intersect at that point right there, which is -1, 9. That's the solution to it. Whoops, you can't see it. -1, 9. That's the answer. That's what we're looking for right there. Now, let me show you this. Write this down. Whenever I put in -1 into equation, I should get 9 for both of them. So I can write this out. Write it down. 9 is equal to, put that negative, put -1 in for x. Plus 8. All right. Oops, you can't see it. We good? Now, what's -1 times -1? Seriously? What's -1 times -1? 1. So it's 1 plus 8. What's 1 plus 8? What's 1 plus 8? 9. Now, here's the deal. 9 equals 9. Is that a true statement? Is that a true statement? Yes. Yes, it is. 9 equals 9. Now, let's put it in here. Oh, let's go down here. Let's go down to the bottom. We substitute in -1. So we should have 9, because that's your y value, is equal to -17 times -1 minus 8. 9 is equal to -17 minus times -1 is just 17. What's 17 minus 8? 9. So we have 9 equals 9. The reason I want you to write this down because you're going to have to justify your answer. Huh? You're gonna see it. You're actually, yeah, you will have to do it. Because when you substitute in these two numbers, you should get, they should equal 9. When you substitute back in -1 and 9, they should they should work in both equations, no matter what. All right, let's look at number 2. Y equals 7. What type of line is that going to be? What type of line is that going to be? Horizontal. So we go up here to 0, 7, and we just draw a horizontal line. Do it. Some of y'all aren't doing it, and you're going to be, I don't understand this. Well, it's because you're not doing it. And I see who you are. Now, here's the deal. What's the first point we're going to plot here? What's the first point we're going to plot? Say it correctly. 0, -1. There it is. What's the slope? What's the slope? Nobody sees it? Okay, I'm just going to go on since y'all are going to sit there. Goes down 2, right 1. Keep going, down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Or it goes up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. There's our point of intersection right there. Up 2, left 1. Let's go one more. Connect the dots. There you go. So the answer to this one would be -4, 7, because that's where the two lines intersect.
Can I just get you to sign
Okay.
that? Are you algebra 2? You're certified that, aren't you?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's go to number 2. Number 3, I mean. Here we go. Let's plot the first one. Y1. You would go to 0, 4. Now, your slope is -5/8, which means you would go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or did I skip one? Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did skip one. And go right 8. Or we can go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 8. There's that line. Okay, the second line, Y2 is what I call it. You go to 0, -8. Here it is, right here. Now, you would go down 17, but we can't. Let's do it again. So we go up 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then go left 8. There's the point of intersection right there. So we connect those. So your answer to this one would be -8, 9. That's the answer we're looking for, where the 2 points intersect. Okay? Let's look at number 4. Should be getting the hang of this. You would go to 0, -3. Your slope is -1/2, so you go down 1, right 2. 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 Or we can go up 1, left 2. Do the opposite. Up 1, left 2. up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. Do it again. We're right there. Connect those. There we go. All right, the next one. Negative 13/8 x plus 6. We go to 0, 6. So we would go down 13 and right 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we go right 8, which puts us right there. That's all we can do. Connect those. That's where the 2 points intersect, right there. So our answer for this one would be 8, negative 7, where the 2 points intersect. All right, try number 5. See if you can get number 5. Okay, number 5 looks like this. So you go to 0, 8. Now, it goes down 1, right 3. 1, 2. Down 1, right 1, 2, 3. Down 1, right 1, 2, 3. That's enough of that one. Go up 1, left 1, 2, 3. Up 1, left 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Connect those points. Now, we go to 0, 1. Slope's the same. Go up, out, down 1, right 1, 2, 3. Down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 3. Or we can go up 1, whoops, left 3. Up 1, left 3. Up 1, left 3. Now, do these 2 lines intersect? So what's the answer since they don't? No solution, because they don't intersect. Do the last one. All right, it should have started at 0, negative 2. Slope is 3 halves. You go up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2. 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 There we go. Or we can go down 3, 1, 2, 3, left 2. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, left 2. Oh, that's all we can do. Connect those points. Now, we go to 0, 4. We go up 1, right 2. up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Do it one more time. Since we found our point of intersection, that's all we need to do. So your answer you should have gotten there is 6, 7. That's the answer you should have gotten there. Okay, look at this. This is what you're fixing to do. All right, two lines graphed on the coordinate grid, each represent an equation. What ordered pair is the solution? Here we go. They intersect at 5, 3. Check there. There we go. Where do they intersect here? Where do the two lines intersect? Okay. -3, comma, -2. All right. Here's the one you better watch out for. This intersects at 1, 1. So I put it in. Now I'm only going to say this once. You're not done with this one. How do you know that point is a solution to the following equations, which are shown on the graph? Here's the deal. Whenever you put in a 1, the x value, you should get the y value. So when you put in a 1, you should get a 1. So here's the deal. Because 3 times 2, no, it should be 3 times 1. 3 times 2, no. Okay, here we go. The third one, because 3 times 1 plus 4 is equal to 1. Is that true? What's 3 times 1? Y'all don't know that. 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That's not true. So sometimes it's going to be because it is where the two lines intersect. Because none of these is true. It should always equal 1 and 1. And you better look through them because they'll say it's equal to 1, but it's not true. All right. Where do these two intersect? -2, -1. We didn't have to do that. Let's see if we get one more where you got to justify it. Yep, here we go. This intersects at 4, 0. You put it in. Got to check that out first. Now, y equals x minus 4, y equals 4x minus 16. So every time you put in a 4, you should get a 0. Here, we put in a 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, but they get -4. Skip it. 4 times 1 is 4, minus 4 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16, minus 0. There it is. It has to equal, they both have to equal 0 because that's your y value.